Hello everybody, welcome to Codecraft Studio. On our last video we have seen how to set our development environment. Today we're going to see how to build your first personal web page with HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundation of web development. Today we'll walk through creating a simple web page perfect for beginners. Let's start by setting up our workspace. All you need is a text editor like Visual Studio Code and a web browser of your choice. Open your text editor and create a new file. We'll begin with the HTML boilerplate. As we have seen on our last video, the tag doctype HTML declares the document type and version of HTML being used. HTML is the root element of an HTML page. Head contains meta information about the document, such as its title and character set. Body contains the content of the document, which is visible to users. Now, let's add a header to our web page. This is where you can put your name or any title you like to be in header part of your page. The header tag represents introductory content. It's usually at the top of the web page. H1 defines the most important heading, and we use only one H1 per page because it represents the main heading of the page. Subsequent headings should be H2, H3, and so on in descending order of importance. Next, let's create the main content of our web page. We'll use semantic HTML elements for better structure. Section represents a thematic grouping of content. It helps organize different sections of your web page. H2 represents a level 2 heading, which is less important than H1 but more important than H3, H4, and so on. All stands for an unordered list, typically used for listing items without any particular order. Li represents each item in a list. Let's make our web page more interesting by adding images and links. The IMG inserts an image into the web page. The src attribute specifies the path to the image file, and the alt attribute provides alternative text for accessibility. A stands for an anchor, used to create hyperlinks. The href attribute specifies the URL that the link points to. In the second example, we link to a section within the same web page using an anchor projects. If you want to add some style to your web page, you can use CSS. Here's a simple inline example. To add a style to our page, we need to create a CSS file. Go to New File, then give it a name with a CSS extension. Then go to your HTML file and link the external file with your HTML by adding the path to the styling file. And there you have it. You've just created your first personal web page using HTML. Feel free to customize it further and add more content. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.